Hey guys, so this week while I'm here in the Amalfi Coast, it's known for lemons, so I thought I'd try to add some highlights to my hair by putting some lemon juice in it every day while we're here for the 4 days. And it's been 1 day. I don't think too much has happened, but I just wanted to see if it would work for me because I have brown hair and I know it works for my sister and she's blonde, so I wanted to see how that would work. So it's day 2 of putting the lemon in my hair, and yesterday I had my hair in a ponytail, so I only did around my face, but today I'm just gonna brush it through my hair. Lemon is a natural degreaser, so either way it'll help my hair. So we're gonna see if it works because we're gonna go on a long sunny walk. So the lemon, like at first it makes my hair look really like greasy, but it's starting to dry already, and it's also adding some like curl to my hair. We're gonna go to the beach, but before that, since the sun is finally come out, I'm gonna use one of the lemons and put it all in my hair. I mean, I could use this tiny one or I could use this giant one. So I cut up like a quarter, and I think I'm just gonna squeeze it all over my hair. Or I could like squeeze into a bowl and like pour it. It's gonna get messy. I don't think it's a good idea. Okay. This is not a good idea. Okay, well, it's all over my cover up. That's fine. You know, we do what we gotta do. Not looking too hot, fellas. I don't know what it is. Like, I slept 10 hours in my eyes. I still have bags under my eyes and I don't understand. I don't know. We're gonna squeeze some more in and then go to the beach. My hands are so big. So now I'm just gonna go to the beach before this dries. It's already drying and I haven't even left for the beach, so I'm gonna run.
2 days later.
Okay, so we left the Amalfi Coast and it's our first day in Florence. And I stopped the lemon highlighting on the last day because it was very cloudy that day. So I only got really 2 good days of lemon in my hair, and I don't think it did much of anything. But I mean, it was still cool to try, and I suppose my hair probably got lighter. Maybe when I get home, I'll do a extended version of this before school starts, like a 2-week or 1 week. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that or you're curious. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me